Hi, I'm Sean Smith. This is Sean Smith Photos, where I edit street photography and occasional travel photos in ON1 Photo RAW. So today I'm going to show you how to update your copyright preset or create a new one. And this is important to update it every year on January 1st. Unlike what I've done for the last couple of years, and my photos have their own copyright year. So let's get to it. Okay. And we can see here, I got a photo I took recently here in Toronto at the Toronto sign with the outdoor skating rink. And I'm in the browse module. And if we take a look here, we got metadata. I applied my metadata preset called copyright. And I scroll down here in the IPTC tab, and I can see copyright status is unknown. So I think this might be a new option, or I didn't originally set it when I created this. And then copyright is set to 2020, all rights reserved, and a link to my blog. Well, I took this photo this year and it's got 2020. So there's something wrong. Well, it's very, very simple. All we need to do is go in here and change this to 2022, all rights reserved. And if there's any other information that I want to add, I could add it in here, but I'm just doing copyright. So really I only want the copyright status, copyright year, and what I want to say, usage terms. So I'm going to say copyrighted. And then I'm going to go up to the top and I'm going to update preset with current settings. Would you like Yes, I would like to update it. And then it gives me these options that I want to include. I don't want to include all data. I want to include IPTC copyright. And we're going to OK that. So that's just what's in here. And then I'm going to go over to this photo. And we can see here that, yeah, it's got a copyright 2022, but no copyright status. So when I imported my photo, I didn't do this correct. I'm going to go up to the top. I'm going to choose my copyright preset. And then I'm going to go down here and everything is set correctly. So this is really, really simple. And I could have multiple metadata presets. So you could have, a copyright one, or you could have something that if you're a professional photographer and you're assigning certain rights to your client, you could enable all of that in here and set a specific thing. But for me, the key is copyright year. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to change my copyright to 2023, and I'm going to save a new preset. So maybe you don't have one already and you want to do a new preset. So I'm going to save this as copyright 2023. And once again, I'm going to remove all of that and I'm going to add copyright. And go down here, I can see 2023, and I've got copyright and copyright 2023. Now, since this photo was taken this year, I'm going to just change it back to copyright. And there we go. Really, really easy. Don't forget to update your copyright settings for your photos coming in 2023. The last time I updated mine was 2020, so I got to go back and select all my photos and update that. Anyways, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. We'll talk in the next one. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe or visit me online at Instagram or Vero or my website. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.